When you need spec-in fire protection products that lead the charge in performance and are easy to install, we've got you covered. The 3M Fire Barrier Tuck-in Wrap Strip is a fire-stopping solution primarily used for through penetration of non-metallic pipes. Enhanced in 2024, these intumescent strips feature 3M's unique Hyper-GS technology. It is UL-tested, fire-rated for up to 3 hours, and is capable of expanding up to 100 times in volume. It's also easier to install since it's more flexible than previous versions, and comes with an adhesive back label. A topside fire stop solution, this product eliminates the need for bottom side installation items like retaining collars, concrete screws, or ladders, saving you time and labor. 3M tuck-in wrap strips will not crack over time and have an indefinite shelf life, so you can stock up to always have them on hand for when you need them for various projects. To learn more and find your local sales rep, visit our website today. Let's build smarter together.